coupon. We gotta download Dollar General app so I can get a dollar.
I already got it on my phone.
Oh, good. Let's get the coupon. Let me get your phone.
Don't just reach over here to my phone.
Good morning, you guys. Hey, it is Friday, November, what's today? I don't know what day it is, but it's Black Friday, y'all. We are not going shopping. This is the first time I have not been shopping on Black Friday in probably like 5 years. But honestly, we really don't need anything. I tried to convince hubby to go shopping. He seriously just does not want to go. He's not budging. I may make my way over to Ulta and Sephora. I do have some things to take back anyway, so I may make my way over there. I don't know if I feel like it, but I'm just up. I was filming some videos. The girls just woke up. It's 11:12. My kids so lazy. They literally just woke up. They're in there eating breakfast. Like I said, I've been filming this morning. I've gotten videos filmed. I've gotten them edited. I've had such a productive morning. Again, I may make my way over to a few stores a little later, but for right now, we're just chilling in the house. We have 3 days, well, if you count yesterday, 4 days off together, and I don't know what we're going to get into this weekend, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Follow us around. I have no idea what's gonna happen. We have no plans, and I'm just along for the ride. I'm really happy when we're all home, when Mark is home and my whole family is here, and we can just kind of hang out and be one family unit, and I don't have to be a single mommy on Saturdays. And that really makes me happy. But let's go see what everyone else is doing. What are you girls doing? I thought you were eating breakfast.
Daddy hasn't set it up yet.
He hasn't given you your breakfast?
All right.
What is that? Daddy has put your breakfast over there.
It's cereal, Raya. Cereal. We used to watching TV.
You didn't even notice.
Yeah.
You got it, Beans? Uh-oh. Bless you. Bless you. You guys, it is such a beautiful day out. Like, it is so sunny. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat for breakfast too. I think I might eat some pie. I'm gonna detox on Monday. Like, I can't keep eating like this. I'm gonna definitely detox on Monday. But for breakfast today, honey, I think I might eat some pie. But look outside. It is such a beautiful day outside. I'm sure it's cold, but such a beautiful day. This door, I'm so happy we got the screen door as quickly as we did when we moved into this house, because now I can just leave the front door open and let so much light into this house, whereas my other house, I couldn't do that. The screen door just was not as, I guess, insulated as this one is. So you can't even tell it's wintertime outside. You can't tell it's cold. It still feels warm in this house, and I can leave the video open and just let the light kind of flow through the house, which is pretty cool, and I love that. So that is one of, I'm so happy we got that purchased so fast after we moved in here. But let me make my breakfast, and I'll talk to you guys later.
What's up, everybody? So, even when I'm off, I'm never off for work. I got some work stuff I gotta get done.
What we about to do?
The Death Nut Challenge.
Show it.
I'm not ready for this.
Death Nut Challenge, y'all.
It says wear gloves. That's how hot it is.
Beansies. Why you put your stuff on the wrong foot? I know.
Music by Chris Hayes. $20 more for tall.
What you eating, Beans?
Too late now. Now all the good stuff.
I got the house finished. Got the outside all looking all spiffy now, just like the inside. So give you guys a little sneak peek. Well, not sneak peek, but a look. Yeah. This is the Bradley household. We got these little ornaments and decorations here from Home Depot. It's just a little reindeer and 2 trees. And we got these little lights that flicker on and off in the tree here. Same with these right here. And then we got my homies Linus and Snoopy in the corner. Just some lights right over the garage. Nothing over the top. I mean, some of our neighbors are really festive. Yeah, I'm not that guy, but I do want to decorate a little bit. You know, this is our first time celebrating Christmas at our new house. So we are here at Fresh Town. Today is Sunday, November something. It'll be on the screen. But yeah, Cece is the most negative person ever. So I'm juicing this week, and I say I'm gonna juice this week. Negative Ned over here says, you know, you ain't gonna only juice.
Because you're not.
And I said, watch me. Just because Negative Ned said I ain't gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. Juice and fruits. Just watch me. So boom, what we got over here? Some fruit bowls. What kind of fruit bowls we got over here? Or I could just get this fruit. Why are you being such a negative Ned, man? Got pre-cut watermelon, pre-cut mangoes, all kind of stuff. Got my naked drinks over here. I'm about to grab all this. How you doing? Can I get a medium orange Julius, please?
A medium orange Julius? Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Alright, 3, 4,
Thank you.
He is so extra. Talking about because I'm dragging him all over the city. He didn't order Julius. First off, we went grocery shopping, which we both need groceries.
Oh my God, here we go.
We do. Ain't you gonna eat them groceries?
Oh my God. You say the same thing every time.
We went grocery shopping, and
It's your
then
job.
I walked into Marshall's for 5 minutes, and he's all up in
dragging me to
arms
Dollar General.
because y'all, they have $2.50. Well, I don't even have my coupon. We gotta download Dollar General app so I can get a dollar.
I already got it on my phone.
Oh, good. Let's get the coupon. Let me get your phone.
Don't just reach over here to my phone. Thank you.
Give me the phone.
It's already clipped on here. It's already in my
You sure?
clips.
Okay, now just look at it. What you got in here? I can't see.
It's on the last screen.
I'll find it. I don't need your help. But yeah, we're going to Dollar General so we can get these laundry detergents. They're $2.95. Well, $3.95, $3.50 I think. And then there's a coupon for $1 off. I think you can only use the coupon on one, but
yeah, you can.
Whatever. But yeah, they got laundry detergents on sale, so we headed to Dollar General right now. We already bought 7 of them, but I figure if we buy another few, it'll last us to next Black Friday when we just get more. And if you guys, what?
Breakfast.
If you guys haven't seen our laundry routine, click that eye right there and it'll take you to the laundry routine, and you guys can see what exactly we meaning me, do for laundry. You do laundry?
I do wash. I do dry. It just takes 5 to 7 business days for it to get folded.
Whatever.
We are about to end the night. Just about to cook a little dinner. This is probably the wife's favorite thing to do, joint cooking. Even though I'm not a fan of joint cooking because I don't understand the purpose, but it makes her happy. So we're gonna do I guess you call it like a clam bake, but no clams. So
Clam bake.
yeah, that's what they call it.
Okay.
So, but we're gonna use lobster tail, shrimp, potatoes, sausage, and what else?
Corn.
Corn. That's right.
Y'all know we love our seafood.
So, about to get that started now. What's up, everybody? So we are coming to the end of our night, the end of our weekend. The weekend is over. I can't believe it. I feel like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday flew by, but nonetheless, we are here at the end of yet another week, the end of yet another vlog. Me and the wife are about to settle down. We actually about to do some work, actually. We are getting ready for Vlogmas. Are you ready for that? We got a lot of great videos coming for you guys. A lot of stuff. And you guys are gonna get a video every single day, pretty much. So it's gotta be pretty exciting stuff. But that is gonna wrap this vlog up. Until the next time,